Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 20. In this video, I will show you how to sign out from BIGO Live application. First, you need to open your BIGO Live application. Then in this homepage, you will see 5 different icons below. Click on that Me icon at the end right corner. After clicking on it, you will reach to this page. Here, click on that little setting option at the top right corner. Once you click on there, it will guide you to this page. Scroll down and at the end you will see log out option. That means sign out. Click on it and it will ask you if you are really sure to log out or sign out your BIGO Live application. If you are sure, then go ahead and tap on that sure button. You have successfully signed out from your BIGO Live application. So this is how you log out or sign out from your BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.